once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, steaming hot, spinach or palak and mushroom curry. Really simple, tasty, vegetarian, vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using today. At the back here I have some spinach or palak or some sort of soft leaf. You can use anything, there's several types. Some fresh white mushrooms, I've just cut them, you know, sort of these kind of chunky kind of sizes. Some sliced onions, I'm using red. Some fresh tomatoes. Down here at the bottom here we've got some cumin seeds. Here we've got some garlic ginger paste. Here we've got some fresh chili. And over there we've got our spices. Equal parts, as I always call them, the big four: turmeric, coriander, chili and cumin. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Of course, add a bit of salt. That's about it. Let's go and do it. Okay, so here we go. My favourite pan at the moment, a little nice wok. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using any oil you like. Maybe coconut oil would be great for this, or a mustard seed. What we're going to do is start off by dropping in our cumin seeds. There's like a teaspoon or so amount there. And all we want to do is just infuse the oil with them just for a few seconds. Must be the heat going through there. And next up we're going to be adding our onions and our garlic and ginger. And again, the garlic ginger paste that I've got here, like a teaspoon maybe for this amount. And on a fairly lively heat, just for like 2 minutes, let's stir fry this around in our pan. Okay, and to that I'm now going to add our shrooms, and goes our white fresh mushrooms, and again 2 minutes, lively heat, let's fry it around. Now what we've got here is we've got mushrooms and spinach or palak or some leafy sort of vegetable. Both of them may give off various amounts of liquid. So let's see how we get on with these mushrooms. See in a couple of minutes. Okay, so these mushrooms, after a couple of minutes are, well, you can hear them, it's starting to get a bit of moisture come out of them, and they'll reduce in size a little bit. Now we're going to grab our washed leaves. Like I say, spinach is good. This is slightly more robust than the spinach. And again, looks like a huge amount, but it will cook right down. So we're going to throw this around again, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And like I say, as the heat gets through this, it will reduce. And here we go, as you can see. As soon as the heat kind of gets to it, it starts to wilt. It's at this point now we're going to add our fresh tomatoes. Try and use a juicy tomato. I'm now going to add that optional, I suppose, chili. You better get a bit of salt in there. And the big four: equal parts turmeric, coriander, chili and cumin powder. If you wanted, of course, you could be using a curry mixture, a curry powder that's already mixed. No problem, you might have one of those in your cupboard or pantry already. Or you could check out a video of a really lovely curry powder I've just made. There's a couple of videos back, I think. Okay, now got some lovely flavours happening. So we're still on this kind of fairly lively heat. And I want to cook this now for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down a little bit, not completely, but they'll break down a little bit. And we're just going to keep this moving pretty much all the time. Then we're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. As you can see, a lot of those tomatoes are sort of broken down. Now I don't want a big saucy kind of wet curry here. I want to be able to pick this up with some nice naan bread or chapati or roti or something like that. Right, what I am going to do is I'm going to finish this off with a little pinch or two of garam masala powder. And regularly you'll see me put cilantro or coriander in, which will work, of course, but today I'm going with fresh mint. I think that adds a really lovely flavour to it. And that's it. Simple as can be, 100% vegan, pretty healthy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.